Hi, in this video, we're going to discuss 7 easy and nutritious meals that are perfect for elderly people living alone. Cooking can be challenging for anyone, but it can be especially daunting for seniors who may have physical limitations or lack of energy. Therefore, we have compiled a list of easy and nutritious meals that will help them maintain a healthy diet without much hassle. Let's get started with the first meal on our list, which is a simple yet delicious vegetable soup. All you need to do is sauté some onions and garlic, add your favorite vegetables, and let it simmer until everything is tender. This meal is packed with vitamins and minerals and can be frozen for later use. Next up, we have a classic tuna salad. This meal requires only a few ingredients like canned tuna, celery, and mayonnaise. It's a great source of protein and can be served on a bed of lettuce or sandwiched between 2 slices of whole grain bread. Moving on, we have a hearty beef stew. This meal is perfect for colder days and can be easily made in a slow cooker. All you need to do is throw in some beef, potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables, and let it cook on low for several hours. It's a filling and nutritious meal that can be enjoyed for days. Our fourth meal is a simple but satisfying baked sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. All you need to do is bake it in the oven for about an hour, and you're good to go. Next, we have a healthy chicken stir-fry. This meal requires only a few ingredients and can be customized according to your liking. Simply sauté some chicken, add your favorite vegetables, and stir in some soy sauce and garlic. It's a low-fat, high-protein meal that is perfect for seniors. Moving on to our sixth meal, we have a quick and easy omelet. Eggs are a great source of protein and can be paired with a variety of vegetables like mushrooms, peppers, and spinach. It's a versatile meal that can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Finally, we have a classic spaghetti and meatballs. This meal requires a bit more preparation, but it's worth it. You can use lean ground beef or turkey to make the meatballs and serve it with a side of whole grain pasta. It's a classic dish that everyone loves. These 7 easy and nutritious meals are perfect for elderly people living alone. They are simple to make, packed with nutrients, and can be enjoyed for days. Remember, a healthy diet is essential for maintaining good health, especially as we age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.